morning, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I prepare my smoothies for the next days. Normally I buy a lot of fruits because I love fruits, and sometimes I don't have enough time to I don't have time to eat all of them, and I don't want them to go bad. And I don't want to throw them away. So what I do is I put them into the freezer. I put them into a bag and put them into the freezer. And if I want a smoothie, I'm just taking it from the fridge and just make a smoothie. I'll show you how to do it. Well, let's start. Well, for today I have a lot of berries. I have blueberries, strawberries. I have some raspberries and blackberries, and I have bananas in here. It's almost overripe, and I don't want to throw them away. You need to, I don't want to throw money. So every Sunday, what I do is I am preparing them for the next 1 week or so. So let me show you how I do mine. Okay. So let me start with my bananas. So normally I'm using just half the banana. Okay, so just peel your bananas and slice into little pieces. And I have here like a Ziploc that I normally use. It's you can use whatever container you have. You can use like in a any container. But I prefer to use the Ziploc. It's a lot easier to it's like a lot easier to. I can take it to the office. I can take it anywhere, and just when I need it for lunch, I'm just removing it from the fridge. So I'll put some bananas. Okay. Some bananas. I'll use it here with bananas. And I'm going to put some blackberries into it. And I'll throw a little bit of blueberries there. And maybe 3 pieces of strawberry. So there you go. Just lock it. Always having a hard time with lock it. But yeah. I need to. And then the second one, I'm going to put some of my strawberries there. Maybe 5. Maybe for Tuesday, I want more strawberries. And this, I'll just put a little bit of my bananas. And I'll throw all of my blackberries there. So I'll have that's for my Tuesday. Close your back. You'll have it. Nicely done. And for my third one, I'll do the same thing. I'll do the same thing globally. I love bananas, but I cannot eat a lot of sugar. It contains a lot of sugar. But you know what? Blackberry, all the berries, they contain the smallest amount of sugar for the fruit. So it's really healthy. So I'll put all of my blackberries there. And actually, I have like really overripe raspberries. So I'm going to throw them away there. Throw it inside there. Not throw it, but go inside. Make it like a reddish thing. And that one is done. And for my last one, I'm going to throw all my blackberries there. See, that's a lot. It will be like a berry. You know what? I think I can still make one more thing. So my fourth day will be just all berries, like strawberries and blackberries. And yeah, I can still have one more. Definitely one more. Yep. Oh, this one's a little bigger. But yep. And I'll throw all my remaining bananas there. And my strawberries. So there you go, guys. See that? So those are nicely done. So I have fruits for my smoothies the next 5 days. I'm going to put this in the freezer, and whenever I need it, whenever I wanted it, I'll just get one and make my smoothie. You can either put that into your add a protein shake into it, which is really good, which is I'm doing every single day, and that's so healthy. Well, thank you very much. So, yeah, so as you can see, I have some strawberries, and I have a little bit of blueberries and blackberry as well, and just a little bit of banana. So I'm going to use, aside from my berries, I'm going to use 1 scoop of my protein powder and just water, around 250 to 500 ml of water. Let's start. Always put all your frozen berries into your blender. I don't need to use ice because these are all frozen, and I don't need to use ice. And I'm not going to let you know what brand I'm using, but yeah, just 1 scoop. Well, if you like smoothie ideas like this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Salamat po!